to American Dream Mansions, where we bring you inside some of the most beautiful and desirable homes for sale across the United States. If you love luxury real estate, modern design, and dream homes, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a stunning property tour. Today, we're touring one of the best homes on the market right now, a truly exceptional property that combines elegant design, premium finishes, and resort-style living. From the moment you arrive, this home makes a powerful first impression. Let's start with the exterior and drone day view. As you can see, this luxury residence features a modern architectural design with a beautiful brown and cream color palette that feels warm, sophisticated, and timeless. The clean lines, large windows, and high-end materials give this home incredible curb appeal. The landscaped front yard, wide driveway, and elegant lighting make it stand out as soon as you arrive. Moving toward the prayer garden area, this peaceful outdoor space is designed for reflection and calm. Surrounded by greenery and thoughtfully placed elements, it offers a quiet retreat from daily life. This space adds a unique sense of balance and tranquility to the home. Now let's step inside through the grand entrance. The front door opens into a bright and welcoming foyer with high ceilings and a smooth flow into the main living areas. The brown and cream tones continue inside, creating a cohesive and luxurious atmosphere throughout the home. Next, we enter the main living room, also known as the lounge. This space is designed for both comfort and style, with spacious seating, soft lighting, and large windows that allow natural light to fill the room. It's perfect for relaxing with family or entertaining guests in a refined setting. Just off the living room is the TV lounge, a cozy yet modern space ideal for movie nights and everyday relaxation. The feature wall, ambient lighting, and comfortable seating make this area feel warm and inviting, while still maintaining a high-end luxury feel. Now let's move into the kitchen, one of the highlights of this home. This modern kitchen features brown wood cabinetry paired with cream marble countertops, creating a striking yet elegant contrast. The island provides extra workspace and seating, while the built-in appliances and clean layout make this kitchen both functional and beautiful. Whether you enjoy cooking daily meals or hosting dinner parties, this kitchen delivers on every level. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area, centered around a stylish dining table. The space is open, bright, and perfectly positioned for both casual family dinners and formal gatherings. The lighting fixture above the table adds a touch of sophistication and completes the look. Let's head to the bedrooms, starting with the master suite. The master bedroom is spacious, calming, and designed like a luxury hotel room. The brown and cream theme continues here with soft textures, elegant wall panels, and warm lighting. This room offers the perfect environment to relax and recharge after a long day. The bathroom attached to the master bedroom feels like a private spa. Featuring cream marble finishes, a brown vanity, modern fixtures, and a glass shower, this bathroom blends comfort and luxury beautifully. Now let's take a look at the home gym. This dedicated fitness space allows you to work out from the comfort of your own home. With modern equipment, clean design, and plenty of light, it's ideal for maintaining a healthy lifestyle without ever leaving the house. The garage is spacious and well designed, offering room for multiple vehicles while maintaining a clean and polished appearance. It's practical, secure, and matches the luxury standard of the rest of the home. Finally, let's step outside to the backyard, where true resort-style living awaits. The swimming pool is the centerpiece, surrounded by a beautifully designed outdoor area. The swing seating adds a relaxing touch, making this space perfect for unwinding, entertaining guests, or enjoying peaceful evenings. This home offers a rare combination of luxury, comfort, and thoughtful design, making it an outstanding opportunity for buyers looking for something truly special. Thank you for touring this incredible property with American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.